Hi everyone, I hope you're all having a good day. Hope the weather is nice where you are. I have Lurella Cosmetics. I've never seen them put a sticker on it like that. And let's see what's in the box. Let's see, you always get the airbags in there. Let's get rid of them off of here. And then, okay. Interesting. I'll give you a little sneak peek here. Okay. First, I'm going to have to do this. We have more masks, and this is mango and lemon. I think we've gotten these before. These are nice face masks. So lemon will brighten, and mango is nourishing. I'm never going to say no to them. I do like them. I thought we just got some of this stuff. Oh, did we get this one? I think the facial exfoliator. I know we've received this in the past. That's there. What do we have here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Wow. Okay, so we have uncut gems. This first one is sun-kissed. So right there, so it's like the reds. And then here is sterling. These might be nice for somebody younger, not me. Sinners, right there. Lemon drop. And then this is toxic. Black ones. And they're a little bit dimensional because you can feel them. So let's put this stuff here. This I'm kind of excited about. I don't think we've ever gotten this. Vitamin C foaming cleanser. Right here. And it has the sponge, you know, the applicator. I'm not going to unwrap this because we just got something. Who did that come from? In the trend mood that I started to use. So I don't want to have all these open. So that's interesting. I like that. What do we have here? We have a whole bunch of stuff. I have a fantasy glitter eyeliner. Let's open this up. Can't say, what does that say? Dream is the shade. These are all wrapped, by the way, sealed in plastic. I like that, but then I don't like it when it comes time to open stuff, like, you know, on camera, just because it takes a while to get in these. There we go. Okay. Oops. Trash. Just got something on the floor. And I'm not going to keep this. Here's a black liner. I'll show it to you. It's going to be like a reddish glitter. I'll show you the back of the box. I just touched my finger. Oh, here's the cap. Okay, so that. I don't know. Get a better idea right there of what it is. I do have wipes out here because I just did Ice Cream Beauty. And I was so tempted to put that, like that green duochrome on and see. But the lipstick came right off my hand. Like, it didn't stain or anything, which I was surprised at because I thought for sure that would stain. But it didn't. So that made me happy. The next thing we have here are 2 lip liners. And I'm not going to open these because I might share these. I have a ton of lip liners. So there's 2 lip liners, and you can see the tones right here. This top one is, if I could read, it would be a miracle. Oh, it just says, one says 5 and one says Lurella Femme. So this one says 5, so that's the darker of the shades. So I'm going to share these. I don't need, I mean, I have a ton of lip liners up there. Eyeliner, maybe if it was a pencil I would keep it, but and then we have an iconic gloss here, and this one is in Keep It Classy, and I've had this many a time, and I might still have it, no clue. So I'm going to open this. I will share this also. I can only keep so much, so that's a pretty shade right there. I can only keep so many. If I'm being honest, let's get rid of this. So far, most excited. I love the mask, but for the cleanser. Then we have this here, and this says iconic on it. So let's have you open. More stuff down there. Okay, where we're going to put you. I don't save this bubble. So we have a palette. It just says iconic on it. And it looks like it's all neutrals. So let's open this up. We'll try to find, this is the perfect size palette if it's neutrals. Let's see if I can get this open. Show you. Would be a miracle. Look at that big thing is. Don't know. Can't tell what that is until I open it. Oops. Oh my goodness. Like everything is sticking to everything. Palettes always come out one way better than the other, and this one is not budging. Sometimes it's got like a seal on it. Ugh. Okay, we can get this to come. Okay, we're clear. I don't know where to put this. Put this back in the box. Ooh, that's pretty. This is all shimmers. See, you know, I'm not a big shimmer person. This will be perfect for someone that has like an all matte palette and would like an all shimmer palette. Beautiful. I don't wear enough of them. It's so rare that if I have a shimmer on my eye. Oh, they're pretty though. Like everything you would need for a shimmer. I will share that because, like I said, I don't wear it enough to warrant keeping it. Ugh. Let's get this stuff. I'm trying to. I always work with such a small space. The next item is a handheld mirror from Lurella. Exactly what it looks like. I'll pull it out and show you. These are kind of nice to take away with you. Because they're like the perfect size. I would leave it in that. And then this is what it looks like mirror on the other side. But this is perfect if there's, you know, you're doing your makeup and somebody else is in the bathroom, stuff like that. You could definitely, you know, do a good job. My eye is teary. Oh, get on my pants. Do a good job with that. But cute. Oops. Oh, why? Here we go. Everything is going to hit the floor again. I thought it was kind of over that. Now it's like back to hitting the floor. Okay, so that's nice. I like that. Oop, what's this? You have a pencil, you know, the pencil sharpener for the, like your eyeshadow or liners, lip liners, anything like that. That's always nice to have. I do have several of them. I'm not sure what this is. Ugh, itchy. Itchy, itchy. I'm telling you, allergy season. I don't know if anybody else suffers from allergies, but it, you know, obviously it's spring. It has started because I have done nothing but sneeze, sneeze, sneeze. Well, this is a travel bag kit, it says on it. So let's see. I don't want to like just take this all the way out if I'm not going to keep it. Just because I know I won't use it. Oh, I'll pull it out and see if I can. I'm not going to like overly get into it because I think I will give this away. I do not need another one. I have so many. I'm going to have Kate Spade ones. So this is what it looks like. And then there is the little, I just saw it pop out the one end. A little hanger. And then you can open it and there's all kinds of things inside. I don't want to open this all the way up. It's nice and deep though. Like you can see the depth of it. I'll show it to you. Right there. Like you could put a lot of stuff. It doesn't have to be makeup, but there's lots of individual bags inside. Like I said, I'm not going to get into all that because I probably will share that. I could easily fit that into a giveaway. I have a couple of them, and then I think I got one Kate Spade from FabFitFun, if I'm not mistaken, and I've used that one, but like I don't need, how many do you need? I mean, I already had a couple, so, but this is really nice and a great gift, especially with, you know, summertime coming, even just going to the beach. You can use something like that, so I'll share that right there. And then they always put a printed receipt in your box. Not bad. Personally, I could have done away with all the gems. I'm not, you know, I'm not a fan of that kind of stuff. I'm most excited to try this because I'm loving that a little bit more skincare. can still see a little bit of glitter on my hands. A little bit more skincare coming, like the masks and this kind of stuff, but I've never seen this, so this must be something relatively new. And this says orange extract. What does it say on it? Orange extract essence. Great for deep cleansing, makeup removing, and skin brightening. So it has more than one purpose. And these are always great to have around. Oh, God, that. 2 different sizes. I think I have one. And then you pop the top off to clean it. So I could share that one too. But they are great just to keep around. I don't want to put that in that trash. I like the little mirror. The eyeshadow palette I do love. I just don't know if I would keep that or not. I'd have to think about that one. The all shimmer, because I have plenty of all matte palettes. And then if I went away and you want to take eyeshadow, you could just take 2 small, because that's a smaller palette, you know, all matte, and your shimmers if you wanted to fancy up an eye look like in the evening or something like that. So not bad whatsoever. And Oreo's laying next to me being a bad girl. She keeps on licking her paws. I'm like, stop. She thinks she's a cat. Like, she'll lick her, like, head down and lick her chest like a cat does. Like, I think she had cats around her when she was young, because she does have cat tendencies. But she's a beautiful little girl. Right? You're a beautiful little girl. You're such a good girl. She's getting her hair cut this weekend. Can't wait. She needs it bad. She needs a bath. So, that's going to happen. So let me know your thoughts on this. Not horrible, but not the best one that I've gotten from them. But I still like getting their box. I can't even tell you how long I've been getting their box. Long, long time. I'm trying to think. If you ever like see anything on Instagram for like PR lists and things like that, feel free to tag me. I mean, if you tag me, I'll tag you back. If you're interested in getting on somebody's PR list, I know I just did it with Chic Beauty. And I don't tag like 50 million people. I tagged a few people, and you know, I appreciate that they tag back and things like that. But feel free to tag me, and you know, I'll tag back. And you know, sometimes they, you know, if you, even a smaller channel, you know, a small channel like myself, you could still win, you know, PR giveaway for a year, or you know, 6 boxes, 6 months PR boxes. It's free makeup, free skincare. So feel free to tag me, and you know, don't over tag me though, just because you have to remember time differences. And and that's a notification from Instagram. And at one point my phone was dinging at like 3, 4 o'clock in the morning, because West Coasters were tagging me at 12 o'clock at night, and I'm like, it's 3 a.m. here. So just be mindful of the time difference wherever you live. I'm on the East Coast. And if you're on the West Coast or Mountain Time, just remember the time difference. But feel free, you know, during the day up till a certain time, you know, 10, 11 o'clock Eastern Time, you know, feel free to tag me in any of those kinds of posts. If you want to enter something, you know, that's fine. I know at one point I had to turn it off because it was out of control. Especially with the late, you know, in the middle of the night for me, you know, post. And I can't shut all that stuff off. I mean, I can, but I leave it on because I leave my volume up and certain things up. You know, messages and all that kind of stuff. So then that is, you know, that automatically, and that wakes me up. Phone lighten up, and then the dings. But feel free, if you see something, to tag me. And like I said, I'll share the tag back with you. So I appreciate all of you. Have a wonderful day, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.